What's up, YouTube viewer, casual or serious as you may be? Hi, I'm SBMITCH. Welcome to a video of me unboxing shoes because that's something that people do, apparently. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and then I also have a website below that called ransomnotesneakers.com, and it's as professional as this channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hello, pals! What are we doing? This is an unboxing of a Sole Supremacy beater box. Sole Supremacy is a shop outside of the Bay Area of California that has a membership-only beater box program that is unfortunately closed to the public right now. But you should still check them out. They have really good selection of shoes, and they do eBay sometimes too, which is pretty cool. This box in particular was just like my last box. It was $400 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Oh my God! For a grand total of $440! Now, these boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money on them, but you can follow along with my buddy Clarence. Boop! It's gonna let you know how much each shoe is worth according to secondary market data. And keep tabs on the entire box to let you, the viewer, know how much it's worth. And then we'll break it down at the end of the video and show you how much I paid for it versus the market value. So let's open it up and see what's inside this box. Don't expect much from this box. This is a $400 box. There's not gonna be anything crazy in here. I just think these boxes are kind of fun because there's just like random, not hyped stuff in here sometimes. Wow! No loose shoes, that's a good thing. Judging by the boxes, it doesn't look like it's 400, but hey, whatever! Let's get to it! First thing out is an Air Jordan 10 Retro in the 20th anniversary box. A pair of Black Cat 10s, I think is what they're called, but it's just it's an all black 10. And it's in a size 10. Wow! That's not doing anything. A little bit of toe box creasing, a little bit of dirt on the bottom. Not in bad shape. These are in really good shape. I mean, you can see the Jumpman is still fully intact and the insole right there. And this is an older pair, it looks like. 2005, so yeah, it's got some years on it, but for being an old shoe, it's in really good shape. These are definitely still wearable. So first shoe out is a size 10. Black Cat 10 maybe, I guess? Oh, that's not a Jordan 11, it's LeBron James. That's okay. But after that, we have an Air Force One 07 LV8 in a size 10. These look like they've been worn once, but these are just some kind of red. I don't know if you can see like the little dots and stuff all over here. Pretty cool though. Air Force Ones are just classic silhouette. I mean, it's a red upper with a white midsole. Classic. I don't like red shoes, but people love them. So, I mean, these, you can see there's no toe box creasing or anything, just a little bit of wear on the bottom. So, size 10, some kind of red Air Force One, this little Jordan box. This is a 6th Youth Air Jordan 8 Retro. Bougie. Pair of Wolf Gray 8s. These are worn just a tiny bit. You can see a little bit of dirt on the Jumpman there, but altogether not very much wear. Size 6, really good shape. I'm not a huge fan of 8s myself. I don't really like the whole bathroom rug tongue going on here, but it's got 1993 on the ankle loop thing, whatever. Cool. We've got another Air Force One in here. It's another Air Force One 07 LV8 in a size 10.5 this time though. Looks like some kind of like alligator skin type thing. All white, but it's got this, oof, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Maybe if I hold it back here and zoom in. It's got this texture all over it, which is pretty cool. Very lightly worn, a little bit of wear on the bottoms. That's about it. Looks like someone wore them once or twice. Like there's hardly any drag or anything, but it's an all-white Air Force One. I don't know the value on this kind of thing, so there you go. Check it out. Again, $400 box. This is the kind of stuff you're gonna get in $400 boxes. Next up, we got a LeBron 9 Low in a size 10. These are the LeBron 9 Low, I think these are called like Liverpool or something. They're not the Christmas ones because the Christmas ones are like greenish, but I don't know why they're called Liverpool. Maybe something to do with the football club. I'm not a soccer guy. Destroy me in the comments if you need to. But it's a red shoe with some green accents. It's a LeBron 9 Low. It's in good shape. I mean, easy 9 out of 10 condition. Doesn't look like there's much wear. Just some discoloration on the bottom. A little bit of wear too, but everything's intact. So this box is in good shape. Size 10. And there's 2 more in here, and they're both Jordan 11s. So that's actually a really good sign. Just depends on the condition. Size 9.5 Jordan 11. I could tell by the box that it is a worn pair of the Jordan 11 72 and 10s. A little bit of toe box creasing on the patent leather. A little bit of wear on the bottom, not too much. This is a really solid shoe. Let's see the red Jumpman and the 23 on the heel. Yeah, these are in pretty good shape for an 11. I mean, with this patent leather, it creases like crazy, like immediately. So these are probably worth between $150, $200. So I mean, that's like a third of the box right there. So there you go. Size 9.5 is a good size too. Jordan 11, 72 and 10s. And then our last one is also a Jordan 11. It's a size 13. The 2011 release of the Concord 11. As you can see, it's got the 23 on the heel. The recent release has the 45 on the back. But these are in pretty good shape too. A little bit of discoloration on the outsole and a little bit of wear too. Nothing crazy though. These can clean up really nicely. 13 is a very hit or miss size. I mean, I used to have a pair of size 13 Jordan Concords and it took me forever to move them. So, I mean, it just really depends. But it's got the insert, no paper though, and no shoe trees, but that's okay. Size 13, Jordan 11 Concord. That is your $400 Sole Supremacy beater box. This is significantly better, in my opinion, than the other $400 one I've opened. But let's go ahead and give it a grade. It's time to give it a grade there. Get that grade through 3 categories, and they are condition, sizes, and hype/value. To condition first, there are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 pairs of sneakers in this $400 Sole Supremacy beater box. None of them are dead stock, but they all have boxes and they're in pretty good shape. Condition on this box, we'll say about a B. Sizes, we have a 10.5. 6 youth, 10, 10 again. Hey, look at that, a 10, 9.5, and 13. Sizes are okay, not great. Sizes, we'll say about a B as well. Hype/value, 11's move. That'll be easy. Everything else is no crazy colorways. They're in good shape. I mean, hype/value on this box, kinda gotta give it an A. So with the grade of B for condition, the grade of B for sizes, and the grade of A for hype/value, this $400 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a grade of B+. So I went ahead and gave this box a grade of B+. You can see there's a little apple with a worm coming out of it right now. But how much money are we gonna make? Ah! Big down! Hey, this box was much better in my opinion, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm wrong a lot. It's kind of my thing. These shoes should be available this Friday at ransomnotesneakers.com. 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when it updates. Pretty decent box. I have a $600 box up next, and then 2 more on the way. We're doing a whole bunch of boxes on this dumb channel, so thanks. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. I will see you soon. Until next time, take care of each other, and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated, because it's good. It's a good time. It's a good time. You can high five and hug. See ya!